Can petit point be digital? The WAP, the WEFT, is it all code? The yarn can only move in a pixelated Arcadia. Yost and I have finally come up with the title for the show. Off buck chasers and Watusi fag hags. December 2006, Kinshasa, Congo, Democratic Republic. Remind me not to wear a Burberry trench coat to the DRC ever again. I fainted at customs. I was expecting it to look like Johannesburg, but they had the most beautiful palm trees in the ghetto. I mean, like, palm trees in the ghetto. I woke up with a beautiful man. His name is Christian. He works for the UN. He calls me his Miss Congo. That's it. That's the name. I shall call this series and this avatar Miss Congo. And here's what I'm going to need. I'm going to need 6 portraits, and then I'm going to need to take those portraits and put them in 6 different locations all around Kinshasa and shoot them with 1 camcorder. December 2008, Dakar, Senegal. I feel like a trustworthy alien here. In the cab ride to meet Koyo, my producer, my companion tells me that in the radio that a young boy has been denied his rights as he was homosexual. I also saw on Facebook that the neighboring Gambia is calling for our beheadings. Eid al-Kabir, that's Abraham's sacrifice, or Tabaski. Koyo is worried I will put myself in harm's way, but I'm alive. We will do this. So Miss Congo is going to need 1 table with a hole in it, an artist's head, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of bananas, a watermelon with all things considered, loads and loads of goats to sacrifice, 1 clean linen sheet to make a tablecloth, and probably me as a goat. I wish to offer myself up as some kind of sacrifice, the way that, the goat saved Isaac's ass. The sin in this case and in this place is not homosex, it's homophobia. November 2012, Cape Town, South Africa. Swazi boy, S&M. That's supper and movies for you guys. Tapestry in petit point, 90 by 120 centimeters. Going once, going twice. January 2022, Rosebank, Cape Town. It's been 3 months in your home, Irma. I'm stationed in your former horse stables like some kind of Madonna. Sounds a child. So we shall call ourselves a Madonna Pudica? No. Yeah, a merciful one, a graceful one. A Madonna Misericordia, I shall be in your house. We have guests coming over. Yonela Makoba, Siwam Koboza, Shakil Solanki, Bonolo Kavula, Unati Mkonto, Jos Bosland, Ashley McLean, my husband, and my 2 dogs, Kang and Argos. One is going through the runs, but I'll clean it up afterwards. And of course, the beautiful school babies are coming today. That's the reason. That's the whole reason. That's the whole reason. Well, one left a couple of sketches over my drawings in the sketch pad that I had left in the installation for them to view. Kind of reminds me of the time that my father received a signed copy of Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. And guess what I did? I mashed his signature right over it. Sorry, Dad. I am really proud of the kid who did that to my drawing, as I feel that that is Jacob's curse and karma. I can smell fire. It's April 2021. It's going to be a decade of fires. As true as God. May I call this place Azania? Or Gaza near? Because I love the garden you have made for yourself. February 2022, Rosebank. You have Impepo in your garden? Yes. I like its other name, Artemisia. So I dried it up and I burnt it to welcome all the spirits that would come into the studio, to also welcome all the spirits that are hanging on your walls. This is an invocation. March 2022, Rosebank, Cape Town. I'm packing up. We've had a ball. Please do not contact me in dreams, in proposals, in nothing. It's been a beautiful 20 years. Please let me return to the lands of my people and their bones. The lands of Berlin in the Eastern Cape. The lands of Hamburg in the Eastern Cape. The lands of Frankfurt in the Eastern Cape. We shall change them. Berlin will become, as it was, Ndabozuko. Hamburg will change and revert and become Engmushwa, where my mother's bones lie. Frankfurt will be Edonqaba, for that is the way our bones will settle. And that is the way in which we'll look at these images and know all has been equalized. Let me go home to where my body and the bones of my people are. Sicebile. Benjalo kude kube ngunaphakade kude kube ngunaphakade makube njalo makube njalo kude kube ngunaphakade kude kube ngunaphakade makube njalo makube njalo kude kube ngunaphakade kude kube ngunaphakade.